We're going to take you on a tour of the Shamrock Ranch by drone. The Shamrock Ranch is located just west of Hotchkiss, Colorado, off the western edge of Rogers Mesa. Here, we are high in the air, above the eastern boundary of the ranch, looking west. Looking east, this follows the Oasis Ditch, which runs all the way from LaRue Creek. The ranch has a multitude of water resources, supplied by the Oasis Ditch, Matlock Ditch, Desert Ditch, and the Hotchkiss Slide Spring. The diverse water rights ensure great agricultural production. Here we're taking a quick pass over the Hotchkiss Slide Spring. The adjudication stands for 1/2 of a cubic foot per second water flow, running nonstop, feeding the pens and central ranch area for stock water. Here you can see the historic lambing pens and corrals. They're supplied with year-round water from the spring, electricity, and can be transitioned to be used for calving, branding, or feedlot operations. Moving along with our tour, now we're passing over the main home and manager's quarters, all situated above a large portion of the irrigated acreage. In between these two large irrigated hay meadows, we have multiple cross fences for rotational grazing and some cattle sorting pens. Turning north, we're headed into the draw where the Matlock Ditch enters the property. This water right is diverted to feed both the hay meadows below it. You can see in the bottom left of the screen the main road that runs all the way west to the final plateau with the hay meadow on it. Below that, you can see the expanding acreage of the sub-irrigated grazing land. This sub-irrigated ground runs all the way to the south from the 3 irrigated plateaus, providing a large area of grazing land for cattle and other animals. It's cross-fenced for rotational grazing and helps keep animals off the main hay ground during summer. We'll head on over towards the main entrance to the ranch, take a quick glance back, and then fly back up to the main improvements area. A lot of the ground in the lower country is ideal habitat for pheasant, chukar, and quail. Not to mention the ranch has some great mule deer hunting and late-season elk hunting. With the setting of these high plateaus, the privacy and views are unmatched. Location is less than 10 minutes to Hotchkiss and 20 minutes to Delta, and your views go all the way from the West Elk Mountains to the Black Canyon and San Juan Mountains in the far distance. So there you have it, a quick ranch tour by air. There's a lot more to this ranch, so if you have any questions, reach out to the listing agent, Jake Hubble.
Forever, here I'll stand.